for the sweet little Clara Bow snap, which has a little bow on it. So, this is a 4-part die head. Again, works with our Bevy interchangeable pliers. So, these ones are all are very clear to me at least, and so I hope to you too, which one goes with which. This very flat one goes with the flat top. And that will be put first onto the pliers, along with this pokey one, which goes with this. But this will be put like this, and then set together like that. So, then take these 2 pieces off. That's already set like that then, those 2 pieces. And then we're going to put these other 2 pieces. So this one sits nicely in there. We're calling this the male side. And then we're saying that this guy has a hat. And you're going to put the hat on him. And then this has an indent that perfectly fits that hat. So it's going to be set like that. Archer will show. Just like the other 4-part snaps we were doing, for this one we also need to make a hole. So we're going to do a size 3 or 3.5 millimeter hole. Thanks, Archer, for showing.
Yeah, so we're going to make a hole on one side and on the other side. So now we have 2 holes.
So now
Then we're gonna take pliers, again unlock. I'm gonna put first this flat side of the dice, and then other side, like this. Let's take this
top
part and put it
through the material. And then take the female side,
this side,
and put it
like this,
over,
and then
and
just
squeeze
it. So one side is ready. As you see, it's strong, holds very well. Now we're gonna change the dies. This one and other one. So then we're gonna take the male side and put it on the right side of the fabric. In this case.
In this case, on the right side.
Yes.
In your
because
case,
we're gonna
you'll put
close.
it on the wrong
We're gonna
side.
close that way. That's why I put in this side.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna take this other side, which looks like a hat.
Looks like a hat that goes on this little head right here.
Like this. Yeah. And it goes on this die, which has a hole. So we're gonna put like this.
Hat upside down.
And then we're gonna take the female side,
And it's the male side.
male side, yeah, right.
And put it in the hat.
And a hat, yeah. And squeeze it.
Uh-huh.
Done.
Great.
Now we can close it.
And play the snap and unsnap game.
And unsnap it.
Snap and unsnap.
Good.